first open the Driftscape app, you will see a Save for Offline button in your top left-hand corner. If you do not see this button, then you'll need to go back into the App Store and update your app to the most current version. There are several ways to search for places, events, tours, and more in the app. You can either search for destinations or points of interest using the app's search bar, or simply head to the menu and choose the organizations you wish to explore when offline. Once you finish filtering your view, start zooming in to ensure that your app frame covers all the points of interest you wish to save for offline viewing. Then select the Save for Offline button. Read the instructions written here, and when you're ready, click Save for Offline now. While the app saves your selected points of interest, you can continue to explore other places, events, and tours in the app while you wait. But remember that while the app is saving your content, do not exit the app. The moment your points of interest are saved, the app will notify you like this. This message will tell you how long it took to complete the download, how many points of interest were saved, and how much space it took up. From there, if you select the Save for Offline button again, it will show you a more comprehensive list of the points of interest that you've saved, as well as allow you to clear storage when you're done exploring them offline. You are now all set, and it's time to explore offline. When you access your Driftscape app offline, you will see a message like this. Nonetheless, you will still be able to explore all the points of interest you saved earlier. Any points of interest that were not saved for offline exploration will have a message informing you about the same. Ready to explore offline?